What if I told you that AI could make you $100 a day while you sleep? Sounds wild, right? But thousands are doing it already. And you can too. Let's be real. Most people spend hours on low-paying side gigs like surveys or delivery apps, eh? It's exhausting and the return, pennies. But with the rise of AI tools in 2025, smart hustlers are turning automation into passive income streams. Here's a simple 3-step method to start making $100/day using AI marketing and digital tools. No coding, no fluff. Step 1. Pick a niche. Email marketing, digital resumes, content writing. Boring to most, profitable for you. Step 2. Use AI to create high-demand content. Generate ebooks, reels, blog posts, ad copy, all using AI. Step 3. Monetize it. Sell on Gumroad, Fiverr, or grow a faceless TikTok, YouTube channel and monetize with affiliate links. Here are 5 free and powerful tools to help you dominate this AI side hustle game in 2025. ChatGPT blog posts, emails, ad copy. Midjourney, beautiful images for ebooks, thumbnails. Durable.co, build websites in 30 seconds. Opus Clip, auto-generate short-form clips from long videos. Trello plus Zapier automate tasks and client onboarding. These tools are your digital employees, working 24/7 so you don't have to. Ready to launch your own AI-powered side hustle? Smash that like button, subscribe for weekly digital marketing strategies that actually work.